Coco's kids. Daphne, Thelma Louise. That one right there's Raven. That one over there is Lucky. That's the one I say. And that's Mary from Mary Poppins. That's over there. Miss Poppins. That's Mary. That's her daughter. And she's smaller than her. And Noodle is here, knocking on me, pecking on me, telling me, hey, that's Wednesday, acting up. Ooh, look at that. That's Ashley. Ashley's becoming, I don't know why, aggressive against Fred. See, Lucky right there? I think he's a rooster too, I don't know. Okay, after. What's the matter, Fred? Come on, Fred. Come on, Daphne. They're having the best time of their life. Outside. See, Mary? She's the smallest one. Let me see if I can talk this. She's the smallest. Just like Miss Poppin, just smaller. She's even smaller than these two. She's the smallest one of the flock. Hey, Wednesday. How are you, Wednesday? I hope you like, subscribe to Lou, and I'll see you on the next one.